Hello, my name is Olivia Carlisle, and this is my PowerPoint presentation titled Vitamins and Minerals. Vitamin and mineral supplementation. Vitamin and mineral usage is often seen as a backup plan or an insurance policy for people who are attempting to ensure they are getting what they need in their diet. The goal of supplementing is to fill in any dietary gaps in order to prevent nutrient deficiencies. Are vitamin and mineral supplements safe? Natural does not necessarily mean safe. For example, the herbs comfrey and kava. Kava is found in natural antidepressants, and comfrey is found in a lot of natural wound ointments, are known to cause liver damage. However, these herbs are still sold in many products found in natural health stores, and there doesn't seem to be a large amount of regulation regarding the selling of these products. Some supplements have also been found to have been contaminated and contain hidden prescription drugs or other compounds. In addition, an herbal supplement may contain dozens of chemical compounds, and all of its ingredients may not be known. So if you're supplementing with something, it may contain amounts of a compound that you're already seeing in your diet, and that small amount that you're consuming from the supplement may add to that and create a toxic level in your body. The consensus is that certain supplements are safe, but it is best to stay away from supplements with known harmful ingredients, such as kava and comfrey herbs. Uninformed use of supplements is risky, so it is best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting anything new. Do vitamin and mineral supplements work? There are many supplements that do work and are beneficial. For example, pregnant women need a much higher amount of folate, so consuming folate supplements in addition to a nutritious diet is a smart choice to ensure the growing baby is getting the folate it needs. Calcium is another supplement that is beneficial for certain groups who are getting less than recommended amounts of calcium from food. For example, vegans or vegetarians, people who don't consume a lot of dairy, may benefit from taking a calcium supplement, as it may be harder for them to be getting calcium through their food only. Calcium is best absorbed in supplements of 500 milligrams or less. Who needs supplements and who does not? A multivitamin mineral supplement is most beneficial for people on restricted diets, such as vegans or vegetarians, picky eaters, those with malabsorptive diseases, those who take medication that interferes with nutrient absorption, adults over 50 years old, and pregnant women or those of childbearing age. Are vitamin and mineral supplements a good replacement for food? According to Smith, Colleen, and Spies 2022, the safest way for most people to ensure nutrient adequacy is finding ways to incorporate the recommended servings of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into their diets. Most supplements do not contain calcium, phytochemicals, and fiber. And in addition to that, the oxide forms of magnesium, zinc, and copper used in supplements are not as well absorbed as the kinds found in foods. Supplements should be used sparingly to supplement a nutrient-rich diet. It is not recommended to use supplements to bolster a poor diet. Conclusion. In conclusion, vitamins and mineral supplements have a place in a healthy diet, but they should not be overused or used without consulting a healthcare provider. Certain groups of people who are at risk for nutrient deficiency should take supplements to boost their diet, but they should also consult their healthcare providers first. And these are my references.